Hi everyone, this is Susie. I'm going to take a walk around the front yard, show you some of the trees. This is a Sunburst tangerine tree, which is growing even more. And all these little tiny pea looking things, them are going to be tangerines. They're all over this tree. Right there. I put some pine needles under here. It's supposed to be good for the trees. And termites don't really care for the pine needles, so I've been putting them around the house too. That's the Sunburst tangerine tree, which is growing like crazy. And you've seen my Methley plum tree before, and that one's growing too a lot. It's getting real tall. I had a few plums on here. They're tiny, and I always get a windstorm and knocks most of them off, but I got a few. And I put some pine needles down there today. I gotta put water on these pine needles, soak them down. This is the Methley plum tree. And I got a beach plum tree here. This I got last spring. It starts growing, it says late spring, but we'll see how this one goes. It's getting some flowers and leaves on it. That one. And let's walk over this way. This is a peony bush. Gets real pretty flowers on it. Excuse me, got a bug on me. To blow them bugs off. Ooh. Okay. And these are my Magnolia trees, which are blooming. A lot of pink flowers on them. Pretty flowers. Some buds there. Got two here together. These are pretty big. And I got a third one in this corner. Another Magnolia tree. Another peony bush. And I gotta clean under all the trees still. This over here is a pecan tree. This thing is huge. It's way up. Way up. Big pecan tree. And under here, lots of raspberries. Pretty tasty. Never seen these here before. They grow wild here. All kinds of raspberries. Look at all the vines. Jeez. First time I looked at them up close. There's some ripe ones down there too. Lots of raspberries. Take a little walk out this way. This is a palm. Over here, starting to get its leaves on it. Pretty palm tree. Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching. More to come. Bye-bye for now.